Okay, take two. Greetings one and all. How's everyone doing? I hope well. Merry Christmas. Tomorrow is Christmas Eve. And then next day is Christmas Day. So I hope you all have a wonderful Christmas. I'm going to be doing a very special Fired Up Friday today. As you can see by the fireplace behind me, I'm in my house, well, condo, home. And yeah, we're going to do a Fired Up Friday. I got some Fatwood that my friend, my brother, CALIZONA Outdoors. I really should just take notes for names. Anyway, let's get some Fatwood going, and then yeah, I gotta start heating my home because it's supposed to be down in the teens tonight, which is very cold for my state. You know, typically a usual day at night is like 30s, so it's supposed to be really cold. But then all next week it's supposed to be 50 during the day, 45 at night. But hey, let's get that Fatwood going, and I'm gonna get my fireplace fired up, warm up my home, and so we'll get to it. All right. Oh, open the damper. I don't want the fire alarms going off. I got the Dominator out. Hell yeah. Got the Mora Garberg. It's my today's blade. Get a little Fatwood going. Just realized I don't have my Smith's Tinder Pal, but that's alright. See if we can do it without it. Let's see if that's enough. Can we get it one and done? And we did. Sweet. Get you turned up to the fireplace here. Oh, oh, oh. That is some sweet Fatwood, I'll tell you that. Alright, there we go. One fire, courtesy of some Fatwood. So I just want to say how much I appreciate you all watching, how much I appreciate you all sticking with the channel even during my little break. I've been just busy just working. I've been working extra hours this last couple weeks, just trying to get ahead a little bit. And yeah, but you know, so I guess the timing was good, so it wouldn't interrupt the flow of videos. But yeah, I've still been watching and commenting. I just fall behind in a few channels, but you know, I hate when that happens, but it happens. So anyway, I hope you all have a great Christmas. I'll catch you on the next one. There should be there'll be a shout out on Monday like there always is. There will be a cast iron Wednesday is already done, shot and edited. Actually, it's already uploaded and scheduled too, so I don't have to worry about that. Actually, I have 2 shout out videos already done. Just got to edit them up, polish them off. So as always, again, I thank you and have a great day and have a joyous weekend.